Hey my friend, welcome back to our channel. This is Ellie. Today we are super excited to share something that might change the way you think about the gates, especially if your local space is limited. You are one more designs. Let's come to see more details. Let's be real. Traditional sliding or swing gates can eat up so much room. That's why we design our aluminum bifolding gates completely chair-free. No bottom layer, no grooves to clean, nothing to cheer over. Just smooth, seamless folding action that saves every inch of your space. It's all in this heavy-duty, oversized hinge. They are not just connecting the gate body, they are supporting the whole gate, making it super sturdy and allowing it to fold neatly and evenly. When you open it, it glides. When you close it, it sits flush and tight. No wobble, no sag, just clean lines. It is not just a gate, it's your stage for entering, your everyday connection to the outdoors, and a sleek, modern statement that elevates your home's curved appeal. Speaking of the material advance, for our gates, with pre-linen 6063 T-fine aluminum air materials, they are corrosion-resistant and very durable, which are built to last decades. No just years, withstand wind, weather, and wear effortlessly. We support customized size and design. Just feel free to tell us your dimensions, any width, any height. We build it perfectly for your project needs. Choose your style, modern minimalist, classic ornate, or something uniquely yours. We control the design from the ground up. Regarding the structure, we develop the profiles by ourselves, which are chosen for exceptional strength and structural integrity. There's also the inner seal inside the gate frame to support the whole gate. Contact us for a quotation or discuss more details for your idea. Let's build something together. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more content. See you in the next video.